you.
Alright guys, I'm just putting on a weightless, weighted bull weight.
Hey, let me talk to the camera real quick.
It's, with Senko, Yum, 3-inch,
Dinger.
chartreuse tail. And then, so, over here, to throw one of these on. Water's really cold, because, like, that hurricane or whatever, there's no sun. The water, we went out yesterday, the water's, like, freezing. So, we're gonna work, like, really slow baits, either at the bottom or the top. And perfect little rig right there. Because he's going to be using his Shimano Trakes, Calico Jack, and nice little Senko. Because the water's cold, again, from the hurricanes, so gotta work stuff slowly, either at the top or the bottom. Depends on the pond. Alright, so
We hate whenever the fucking line gets wrapped around the eyelet.
got one. First cast. Yep. First cast. Little. No, it's a little micro. Little micro. First cast, boys. Bro, first cast. Alright, on the Yum Dinger. Alright, let's get a release on him, boys. Are you ready for this? W release. Little micro fish. Alright, bye bye, bud.
I don't know if you see it, there's like 30 little bluegills right here. I got him. Yep. Oh shit, he got me wrapped. I got him out. Wait, he got me wrapped again. He got me wrapped up again. No. I can still feel the fish. Yeah.
Oh, the water's freezing cold though.
Fuck. He's caught on the pipe.
Wait, let me feel. You still feel him?
I felt him head shake like 2 seconds ago. I wonder if I get in like, oh my god, yeah, that water is really cold. I'm gonna get in like maybe ankle deep. Actually no, maybe about knee deep. Because I'm already like here. Come on.
Was the fish even big?
It was like a 2.
No, it wasn't.
No, fucking, it was like a 2-incher. I got him.
Got it out?
Yeah, it's like a dink. It wasn't even worth it, to be honest, but first.
Like the same exact one that I.
But I got a fish on camera. I got it. Alright, guys.
Oh, that dude's fat.
Oh my
That
god.
dude's belly,
Dude,
bro.
he's chunky.
Wait, hold up. I want to show my camera this. So look at that little freaking dink, probably like 1 pound. But
Not even.
Well, I'm saying
Here,
1 pound
let me
because
hold
look
on.
at this fucking
Oh my God,
belly.
let me
Holy
hold on.
crap. It's probably the chunkiest little dink I've ever seen.
Look at that, guys. Psych.
Me and Kyle.
Good idea putting your phone there. 0.5.
So,
Alright, that's dope. We already
We're gonna move to the first pond. Probably have about 2 pounds already today.
Yeah. That one bass was chunky.
Yeah, we had one little dink. Crosby had one little dink. It was chunky as shit, and I had a little baby. So probably just like 1.5, 2 pounds of bass already today. All right, made it to our next spot. Just gonna start off with the good old 3-inch Senko chartreuse tail again. So I got it done first cast last pond, so let's hope it gets us done first, second, and third this pond. You remember this pond was like really good when I was like kind of drained though, so. Okay, I'm just gonna cast right there. We'll let it sink, let some line out. Ah, it's a little dink. And that, wait, hold up, show the camera.
Oh, some really big bass right here. Yeah. Oh shit, that's big. I got like a 4 on. No, get him. Don't grab the fucking line.
This dude's feisty as shit.
Let's see that.
Crosby, I think this is about a 3.5, 4.
Yeah.
Crosby just caught. We're scaling it, so let's see if they sit up. Is it zeroed out?
Yep. 3, 5, 3, 6, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3.
3, 3. Okay, that's not a bad fish.
Yo guys, we're hooked up. Hooked up, boys. Aw, damn it.
Boys, we're about to get kicked out of the golf course. See, look, this man walking up.
You can't fish over here.
Alright.
Just for your safety and some of the members.
Can we go to that back pond that's like by the restrooms?
You can't fish in any of the ponds on the course, but any other pond in the neighborhood, you know.
Well, like the one back there by the bathrooms, there's no like golf balls going that way. Can we fish there?
You can't be anywhere where the golf course is next to the pond.
Alright.
Right?
The golf course
So,
is
like,
next to the
even
pond
if,
back there.
You know, if you lived in one of those houses, it'd be a different story if you were in the backyard, but you can't be here. There's balls coming flying in here.
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm saying like back there, like you know how there's like the
Nothing
bathroom?
near the course. Yeah, I would say if you were on the other side of the pond, not on the course side.
But that's not on the course though.
It's right beside the course. It's for your own safety. We can't have anybody getting hurt here.
Okay.
So I'm not asking, I'm telling. Now, where are you coming from?
It's in my house
Where is that?
over there.
Yeah, we need to go back on that side of the. Yeah, I would love to let you guys fish, but I can't. I was sent out here to remove you. You know, as nicely as we can. It's just really.
All right, so mine fell up and just rigging up the same thing. Yum, 3-inch stinger, chartreuse tail. The other one off camera. About a 2. Caught him off camera. I just lost one. Crosby, I just lost one. Got one. Crosby, nice one. Stay. .2.
No, let me plug it in.
Look at this time. 3.2. There it goes.
Hey, yo, rod bump. Rod bump.
Catch this fish. Imagine we both.
Another rod bump.
What? Oh. Imagine we both get hooked up right after.
No fucking way. It was the rod bump. It was the rod bump, dude. It was a rod bump.
We just did a rod bump, and I said, imagine we just get hooked up after, and Crosby, right after the rod bump. Little dink on right now. There you go.
Rod bump. Yes, sir.
Rod bump, and I said, imagine we just get hooked up after, and Crosby, right after the rod bump. Little dink on right now. There you go. Alright, so Crosby just got a little half pounder. Probably a little bit more than that, maybe a little bit bigger than a half pounder. I just got done re-rigging from 3.2 that messed up my rod. And we're gonna cast it back out there right where I caught that 3.2. And let's see if I can get another nice one on this.
Back it. Yeah. Uh-huh. Hey, Ryan.
Got one. I can't tell if this one's nice. Actually, yeah, Crosby, go get the net. I think it might be a good, nice one. Oh, never mind. He fought pretty good. This dude's actually kind of a dink. The release video of this. It's cold. Chomped by gator bass. And he's blind. Okay. This one is cool as shit. He doesn't want to leave. Crosby, look. Oh. Watch a gator come and eat him. Let's go. We're feeding them a bunch.
Alright, y'all. I've actually caught some fish doing this. Just casting up along this blue line here. Yeah. Dude, it's actually big. It's big. It's big. I don't think we need the net. It's right here. Stay down. Stay down. It pulled drag on the hook set. Don't grab the fucking line.
Grab it.
Yes, sir.
Bro, he jumped into the net.